Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Attio CRM in 2025. This is a complete tutorial for beginners, so whether you're using it for sales, client management, or even project tracking, I'll walk you through all the key features and the step-by-step guide. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let's dive right in. So let's start by knowing what is Attio CRM. So Attio CRM is a modern CRM that connects your contacts, email, and workflows into one powerful platform. So think of it as a mix between Airtable, Notion, and traditional CRMs like the HubSpot, but it's the easier one to use. So let's head over to the atio.com and then sign up. You can sign up for free, so you'll just have to click on this one. And then once you're here, you can use your Google or email to register. And then once you're in, you will see the main dashboard with three main sections, which is the workspaces, collections, and the contacts. So you can also install the Chrome extension or link your Gmail or Outlook account for better integration. Now, the workspace in Attio are like project hubs. So you can name them after themes or use cases, sales, projects, hiring, whatever it fits. So you can customize the layout, so the permissions, and add team members if you're working collaboratively. Next, let's add some contacts. You can add some contacts there. So you can either import them via CSV or sync them directly from your Gmail or Outlook inbox. Now, once it's synced, Attio will automatically build relationship histories using your email conversations, which is very helpful for keeping track of deals. Now, when using the collections. So collections are customizable pipelines. So you can build them from scratch to track anything like leads, deals, interviews, and even tasks, and etc. So you can drag and drop contacts between stages. You can also filter the views and assign team members to entries. Now with the templates, tags, and custom fields, let's talk about that. So you can organize better with tags and fields. And you can also add custom columns like deal size, priority, or even drop downs. And it's very flexible, which is really helpful. And then you can also save time using remade templates for sales CRM, hiring tracker, and etc. Now let's talk about the collaboration and notes. So you can click into any contact to see a full history of emails, notes, files, and team comments. So it's all synced in real time, so your team stays on the same page. Now let's also talk about the automation, if available in your plan. So you can set automation to speed up your workflow. So for example, when a contact reaches a certain stage, you can assign them to someone or send a follow-up email about it. And that's it. Attio CRM is powerful but simple once you set it up. So this is very perfect for solo entrepreneurs, startups, and small teams who wants flexibility and collaboration, and to those people that are just starting up and want to expand on their business. So thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, You can hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and also drop a comment down below if you have any questions about Attio or CRM tools in general. Bye, and I'll see you in my next one.